Good morning.
Good morning.
This is a video for Jonathan Bird.
Yes. So, let's tell our friends now. Our friends are Lola and Lily, and Catherine and Jeffrey.
Yes.
And they're moving to Oregon.
And they're moving to Oregon. And what's your name?
Lola. Actually, I meant Sarah.
Sarah. This is Sarah. And her friend Lola May is moving to Oregon. A big move across the country. And what do you have to say to Jonathan Bird, Sarah?
Okay, so, I watch your Jonathan Bird shows a lot.
Just like Lola May does. And so, when they move to Oregon, where are they going to be close to?
Canada.
Oh, that's true. We'll be closer to Canada, which is where Lola May's grandparents live. What about
Coast.
we'll be close to the water? And so we thought if you were ever in Oregon or southern Washington, really anywhere on the coast of Washington or Oregon, we could travel there to see you, Jonathan Bird, if you're ever filming there. So, Jonathan Bird, please let us know if you're ever going to be in Oregon, and we'll let Lola May Bell know, right?
Yes.
Because this isn't Lola May Bell. This is Sarah. Is it about a Jonathan Bird?
But it doesn't matter.